Little Kids Heart of Learning, a stress-free place for your little ones to have fun while learning and exploring.
Hello friends! Would you like to learn months of the year? Wonderful! I'm completely excited to learn months of the year with you too. Before we begin, does anyone know why learning this is important? Well, I'll tell you why. Learning about the months of the year is important for everyone. It helps us understand the structure of time and the passage of seasons. It also helps us memorize our birthdays and other important events. A year is divided into 12 months, and each month has different number of days. While a few of them have 30 days, some have 31 days, and one month has 28 days. The months which have 31 days are January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. The months which have 30 days are April, June, September, and November. February is the only month that has 28 days. Now let's get started and name the 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Friends, I had a blast naming the 12 months of the year with you. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning if you want more fun videos like this one. Thank you for joining me. Until we meet again, keep learning and being the fantastic kids you are.